All right, guys, doing a quick video on the one hose method for a vacuum evacuation. We've got the core removal tools here, Appion. We're going to keep them just a little bit cracked, and then when it pulls down a little bit, we're going to open it up. All right, we're going to use the one hose method with the big blue. We're going to keep the gas ballast open until it gets down, and we've got, on the high side, we've got core removal tool with the Testo 552 all the way upstream. So we're going to pull from here. It's going to go through the evaporator coil, and this is going to be the furthest point because we got everything valved off, right? So this is going to be the furthest away from the pump. All right, and shouldn't take no longer. It's a 5-ton system, 5-10 minutes, unless we've got moisture. And if you've got the Blue Vac Pro, it will tell you a graph. Haven't gotten to that yet, but you know, it's in the cart in Accutools. All right, guys, catch you on the next one.